10 out of 10 pain levels. I just want to get ran over.
So this trail is 7 miles long with 10 waterfalls, and we're gonna try to hike it all in one day.
And hundreds of cars here, so we had to pay for the fee. One waterfall down. We got 9 more to go, and probably about 7 miles more to go. It's already getting hot. It's about like 80 degrees here. It's very wet here. I wonder why.
So second waterfall down, 8 more to go, and probably about 6 more miles.
I don't think we're gonna make it. We've been walking forever. We're out of breath. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Wish us luck, and like and subscribe because we do this for you guys. This is our 5th one, I think. I don't know. We lost count. 3rd?
Yes.
We're over 2 hours in. We got like a few more waterfalls. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen. We lost count, but we're hot. We're sweaty. We're sitting beside this river.
We gotta take a little break.
We're almost done. I think we're doing it in good time. But this was a journey. It was definitely a journey. Was this worth it?
No, not at all.
I'm starting to regret everything. I don't think we're gonna make it back.
Probably not. Hot. It's hot. It's sweaty. Thirsty.
My balls are sweaty. I hope people like and subscribe to the channel.
Me too.
If not, I think we're just gonna float in this river for our last days of life. Back on the trail, going. I think we got 3 more waterfalls left. I'm not sure, but we're getting it. There was like hundreds of people on this trail, and now we haven't seen a single one. Like, it's just dead. It's getting sketchy out here. We think we're almost done. We're not sure, but we just went to the coolest waterfall. It was amazing, but we think we're on the final stretch. So, wish us luck. We made it out. We survived. What was that? What time is it?
3:40, almost 4.
So, we hiked for almost what?
3 hours.
3 hours, maybe give or take. But it was definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. It was 10 out of 10 pain level too. So we got our hopes up.
I'm mad now.
We went to the wrong parking lot, so we still got 2 miles to go. And we were so excited that it was over, but looking at the map, we're supposed to go down a different trail.
Yeah, still 2 miles away from the car.
Yep. All right, let's get hiking again. We have all uphill to go. 2 miles. We're done. I just want to hitchhike or just die here. This is ridiculous. We got our hopes up. Oh, we've been hiking forever. We're still trying to hike back to our car. It's been forever.
There's no more falls on this hike, right?
How you feeling?
Like, I want to get hitchhiked.
I just want to get ran over. Look, that car right there. Actually, that car's faster. We're both in constant pain. Oh fuck. My feet feel like they're blistered now. She needs to go poop. She's about to poop herself. And we just don't even know how much longer we have. This is probably the worst hike
I think
we've ever taken.
We've definitely went more than 7 miles by now.
I think we took a couple wrong turns somehow, and because we ended up at a wrong parking lot, and we got really excited. We were celebrating, and now it's like 40 minutes later, and we're still walking after that, and we don't even know if we're even going the right way. To be honest, we have no idea where we are. We finished the hike. Like and subscribe.